Students, now let's move to the next example. What they're telling here, find the equation of line passing through 3 minus 2 and making an angle of 60 degree with positive direction of y-axis now. Okay, that means these you cannot take as a theta to find the slope m equal to tan theta, because this angle is what with respect to the y-axis. Okay, so now listen here, the point is what 3 minus 2, that means this will act as a x1 y1. So once we have point, our job is to find what slope. So listen, to understand this, let me draw a rough sketch here. A point is what 3 minus 2, the 3 minus 2 will be somewhere here. Okay, now from these, what they're telling, this line is making angle of 60 degree with positive direction of y-axis. That means from this point you can draw line like this also, like this. Okay, if you're taking these as a 60 degree, this is wrong, because this is making with a negative direction. Okay, you can see this direction is towards what the negative, this side with respect to the y-axis. Okay, but what they're telling, this angle is making 60 degree with positive direction of y-axis. That means the line should be something like this. See, okay, so this angle, if I am taking 60 degree, technically I am right, because this is, you can see the positive direction means direction towards up. Okay, with respect to what y-axis. So very clearly we can understand this is origin 90 degree, this is 60 degree, so this will be 30 degree. So by vertically opposite angle, these also will be 30 degree. Na? This also will be what, 30 degree. So what is the slope? Slope is tan theta. Theta is what angle made by line with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense, that very beginning we studied. So here m will be what, tan 30. So tan 30 is what, 1 over root 3, that already we know. Now just apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to m product x minus x1. What is x1, y1? 3 and minus 2. The y1 is what, basically minus 2, the minus minus plus 2. Slope is what, 1 over root 3, and x minus x1, which is 3. So what will happen now, root 3 will go other side. So root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to what I will do, x minus 3. So what answer I will get, basically your desired equation, x minus root 3y minus 3 minus 2 root 3 is equal to what, 0. So this is your answer. Example, find what the telling, find the equation of straight line which cut off and intercept 5 from the y-axis and equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Okay, now what is the meaning of equally inclined? So for that, let me explain one thing first. After that we'll continue this example. See now here, this is x-axis, y-axis. Assume now one straight line I am drawing like this. Okay, this is, say for example, x-intercept, and this is y-intercept, right? Okay, this you say for example a comma 0, and this is what, 0 comma a. Okay, a is just a symbol, it's not about plus minus. Okay, other way around you can draw like this also. Okay, so your x-intercept will be this a comma 0 here, and this will be what, 0 comma a. Okay, so what we can understand here from this, here x-intercept is a, y-intercept is also a, the both are exactly equal. So you can see that these and these will be equal, right? So this is 90 degree, so this will be 45 degree. So this angle will be what, 135 degree. And what is tan 135 minus 1? Okay, m is equal to what, you will write tan 135, which will be what, minus 1. Okay, second scenario, if I am drawing here something like this, let me draw here. X-intercept I am taking positive and y-intercept I am taking a negative. Okay, something like this for example. Okay, assume that this point is what, 2 comma 0, that means x-intercept is what, 2, and this point what I am taking, 0 minus 2, that means y-intercept is what, minus 2. Okay, and this is O for origin. So again we can see that this is 2 comma 0, and this is 0 minus 2. Okay, x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is minus 2, both are equal? No, but length of x-intercept is what, 2 units, and length of y-intercept is also 2 units only. length will never be negative. Still I can say the length is equal but intercepts are not equal. So these two are equal, so this will be 45 degree, so this also will be what, 45 degree. So in this case, what is a slope? Slope you will tell m is equal to what, 1045, which is 1. So from these two examples, these two cases, what we can conclude, that in question if it is mentioned that length of intercept is equal, so length of intercept is equal in case 1 also, in case 2 also. So if the telling length of intercept is equal, in that case slope what you will take, you will take plus or minus 1.1. And in question if they mention that intercepts are equal, what they're telling, intercepts are equal, okay, that means x intercept and y intercept exactly equal. In that case slope what you will take, you will take only minus 1, okay, because in case 1 intercepts are equal, in case 2 intercepts are not equal. If the telling intercepts are equal, in that case slope is what, negative 1. And if the telling length of intercepts are equal, in that case slope what you will take, a plus or minus 1. And if the telling intercepts are equal, the magnitude wise, okay, so magnitude wise which case will be applicable, case 1 and case 2 both will be applicable. So in that case what you will tell, answer plus or minus 1 slope, okay. And you can understand these two line segments are equal, so these also will be equal only, these two angles, it will be what, equally inclined. Here also you can see that these two angles are equal, so you can say it is what, equally inclined. So basically what we can understand, if it is equally inclined given in question, you will take slope as plus or minus 1. This you can remember as a note. Here just we understanding this analysis. In question if they are mentioning a line is making equal angle with coordinate axis or equally inclined, the slope what you will take, a plus or minus 1. So I hope this is clear. Now based on that, let's see one example. Yeah, what it was, find the equation of straight line which cut off the intercept of phi from y axis, that means c is phi, and slope what you will take, plus or minus 1, m equal to plus or minus 1. So case number 1, if I am taking y intercept is phi and slope is 1, the slope intercept form is what, y equal to mx plus c, right? Slope intercept form is what, basically y equal to mx plus c. So m is 1 into x, and this is what, phi. This is one answer, x minus y plus phi equal to 0. You can write in the general equation form. And case 2 is what, y intercept is phi and slope what you take, a negative 1. So what is the slope intercept from y equal to mx plus c? So m is what, minus 1, the minus x plus phi. In that case equation will be what, x plus y minus phi equal to 0. So two such lines are possible in that case.